In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for payment in Stripe. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Stripe dashboard. And by the end, you'll have a QR code that customers can scan to pay for a specific product or service. First, open your Stripe dashboard in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account and the right environment, whether that's test mode or live mode. It's important to double check this, because any links and QR codes you create in test mode are only for testing and won't accept real payments. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and click that plus icon. Stripe will show you a small menu of quick actions you can take to accept payments. From that menu, choose the option labeled Payment Link. This is what we'll use to generate the URL behind your QR code. A payment link is simply a Stripe-hosted checkout page tied to a specific product or price. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can select the product you want to charge for. You should see a list of existing products in your Stripe account. Click on the product you're creating this QR code for. If you don't see the right product, you may need to create it separately first, but for now, just choose the one that matches the item or service you want to sell. After selecting the product and confirming the details, look for the button that says Create Link and click on it. Stripe will generate a unique payment link for that product and take you to a summary page where you can see and manage the link. On this payment link summary page, focus on the section that shows the Buy button. Between that button and the three horizontal dots for more options, you'll see a small QR code icon. Click on that QR code icon. This opens a preview of the QR code that points directly to your payment link. From here, you have two options. You can click Copy to Clipboard to copy the QR code so you can paste it into a document, a design tool, or an email. Or, if you need a file to print or upload, click Download Image. This will save the QR code image to your computer, usually as a PNG file, which you can then add to posters, flyers, menus, or your website. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for payment in Stripe using a payment link.